Fette Compacting. Be efficient.
Welcome to our training center at Fette Compacting. I'm Tim and I will show you how we deliver trainings for you. Let's have a look. The base of a successful training is an area where you feel comfortable. In our training rooms, our trainers deliver the fundamental theoretical knowledge. The interaction in small groups makes sure everyone can receive the content and there's time to raise individual questions. But who wants to do everything in theory? About 80% of our trainings are performed practically. In our maintenance trainings, we teach how to exchange and adjust all necessary parts to keep your machine in a good condition. To reduce downtimes, your technicians learn how to troubleshoot as well. Here runs an operational training course, where the participants learn how to operate the press and to reach the highest tablet quality. We can perform the training here in our headquarters, in one of our competence centers worldwide, or on your site. A great team of international certified trainers is willing to share its knowledge with you. Check out our website to find out more about our global training program and our digital training solutions. We are happy to train you.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.